Do you work in healthcare? Well, let me show you how you can use Jotform AI. Hey Jotformers, welcome back. I'm Kimberly, and like I mentioned, if you work in the healthcare field, you can absolutely utilize Jotform AI to create, design, even edit forms that you've already created in the past. So as you can see, I'm currently in my workspace, and there are a couple of different ways that we can get started. We can start down in the very bottom where it says Ask Poto Anything, or we can come up here to Create, Form, and we can use the AI option here. For this example, I'm going to go back and I'm actually going to use Poto. Now, one thing you can do is you can have a typed conversation, but what I like to do is I like to use the voice option because it allows me to get what's going on in my brain out a lot faster than typing.
Hi, how can I help you?
Hi, I'd like for you to help me create multiple forms for my healthcare business. Can you help me do that?
Oh, absolutely. I can help you create multiple forms for your healthcare business. Sure. Just let me know what types of forms you need, like patient intake, consent, appointment requests, or surveys.
Absolutely. So I need one patient intake form. I need one appointment request form, and I need a health history questionnaire form.
Okay, got it. One patient intake form, one appointment request form, and one health history questionnaire form. Let me get those set up for you. Okay, I'm getting one of those forms started for you now.
What's great about
I'm still
this?
with you while I sort that through. I'm still on it, working on that form.
And see, we didn't even tell it what fields to put. It's automatically creating the form and the questions as well. Perfect.
Yeah, glad to help. Yeah, all three forms, patient intake, appointment request, and health history questionnaire, are ready and in your forms list. You can open any of them to review or edit.
All right, let's go ahead and X out. I'm going to X out of the chat as well. And I'm going to do a sort. Let's go ahead and do a refresh first. And it's already by creation date, so our three forms should be right up here at the top. Perfect. Now from here, let's go ahead and do the appointment request form. Let's do edit form and take a look at what this looks like. Perfect. Good. Now from here, there's a lot of other things that we could do. If maybe we want to add in some conditional logic, maybe we want to show a field or hide a field based on something that they entered, we can absolutely ask AI to do that instead of going up to settings and conditional logic and trying to figure it out ourselves. Something else that we can do is we can change the overall look of this form. So let's ask him to do that.
Hi, Kimberly. I'm Poto, an AI agent. How can I help you today?
Hi, Poto. I would like to make some changes to my form, specifically around design. Can we make the page background black as well as the submit button?
Yeah, hi there. Sure thing. Let me adjust that for you. So, you want the page background and the submit button to be black, right? The page and button are now black. Want me to tweak the button text or hover effect for better contrast?
No, that is perfect. Could you also help me move the phone number field above the email address field?
Sure thing. Let me move that phone number field for you. One moment. Done. The phone number field is now above the email address field.
Perfect. And it really is as simple as that. And you can go into each one of these forms and you can tweak as necessary, but it really takes that guesswork of having to create multiple forms at once. And it's as simple as that. If you have any questions about how to use Jotform AI and the Form Copilot in your healthcare business, let us know down below in the comments. If you like this video and you got some value, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell so you get a notification every time we put out a new video. I'll see you next time.